Welcome to the Udacity Project 2 screen recording to demonstrate the features of this project. We'll start by showing the dataset used for training, marketing dataset, tabular format, location. We can explore the data to get a sense of the type of data that's here, and we can see that it's all there and good. Next, I'll show the pipeline that we used for training this data. It's the experiment Udacity 2 milling bricks. It's a pipeline for the marketing data, the AutoML module. If we look at the AutoML module, we can see that it completed. If we look at some of the models available, we can see the voting ensemble was the best model that ran against this. And we see it completed, ran yesterday, took about a minute, and we can see the various metrics that are over here. And we went in and deployed this model by doing deploy and deployed it as a web service that we'll look at in just a minute. Before we leave here, note the name here, ending in 23_51. Next, let's go to the deployed model endpoints. And we can see the bank market endpoint. We can see that it's healthy. It's running in a container instance. It's created yesterday. The available endpoint for the REST endpoint, the Swagger UI, and we've enabled the application insights with the URL there. Also remember the 2351 that we saw in the previous screen. We can see that it is indeed the same model that we saw in the other screen. Next, let's run this a couple times. I have two different scripts here. One, the endpoint Python script. This has values that result in a no. I have another endpoint execution, one I called consume.py, and this results in a prediction of yes. So we can see that our model is giving us different predictions based on the available output. Finally, I'll show in this part the benchmarking, and we can see that it's executing the benchmarking tests with available connection times and percentage of requests served within a certain percentage of time. The next thing I want to show is the deployed pipeline that's available for retraining the model. So if we go back here, the pipeline REST endpoint experiment that we created in our Jupyter notebook is available here. So if we go into that, we can see that this is indeed the one that we were using. We go back to pipeline and pipeline endpoints. The bank marketing train endpoint is available. It was updated yesterday. If we look at the pipeline steps here, we have the data in the AutoML module, and we can see that it's active. Here's the REST endpoint, pipeline IDs, and so forth. This is the conclusion of the overview of Udacity Project 2. Thank you for watching this overview.